All right, so you are turning 65 and you need to sign up for Medicare A and B. Here's how you do it. Go to medicare.gov and it'll give you a nice little walkthrough. So get started with Medicare and it'll give you some nice options. Number one is if you are drawing Social Security, they're going to assume that you need Medicare A and B. So if you're drawing Social Security at least 4 months before you turn 65, you're going to be automatically enrolled. Um, but for this purpose, let's go through what if you're not going to be automatically enrolled. So you're getting Social Security benefits after 65. So you're going to be turning 65, you need Medicare, you're not taking Social Security. Get my Medicare steps. So the first couple sections is getting answers and how does Medicare work, some links to how much it'll cost based on, what your income is, what are my options and things like that. So I can help you with these couple things and boil that down for you. But the first step is to making sure that you do get Medicare. So how do you sign up? First question they ask you is, are you taking Social Security? So the answer is no. So you're under 65, you're about to turn 65. So do you plan on getting benefits from Social Security? So no again. So to sign up for A and B, A is at no cost, B has a premium attached to it. There's a couple ways to do it. Number one is you can go online, and I'll walk you through that, or you can simply call this phone number, 1-877-772-5772. All right. And then from the time you sign up, they say it takes about 2 weeks to get your welcome package with your Medicare card. From my experience, it takes a little bit longer. But so you're going to request Medicare to start on the first of the month that you're turning 65. So let's say you turn 65 on January 15th. Your Medicare will start on January 1st. It'll be backdated to that. If you want a different date because you're covered under a group plan and you're not retiring, whatnot. So you can choose the date that your other coverage is ending if it's not on your 65th birthday. All right. So, assuming you don't want to be on hold and talk to somebody, you can sign up online at Social Security by clicking this link. So you hit the apply, there's a little bit of information. Again, they give you the phone number to call, but you can apply online and it's going to bring you to the Social Security website. So you read the instructions, you understand them. Next. And then you can apply right through there. So you hit the start a new application, gather all the information you need. So you're applying for yourself. And then the question is, do you already have a ssa.gov login? If you've been uh, logging into Social Security to check your Social Security statement, you already have one. If not, you hit no, and then it'll walk you through. All right. So like I said, it should take 2 weeks to get that welcome package, but you can always check back online on the status of your application or call that number. If you're doing this for a quick turnaround, let's say you need to start sign up for coverage for the first of the next month. You should be able to log in and find out your Medicare number and get confirmation that your Part A and B are starting on that date requested. And once you get that Medicare number, we'll be back in touch. And then I can go through all the different process on how to select the different plans to go along with that. All right, hope all's well. Hope this was helpful and have a great day. Bye bye.